part 2 kan chan do na sentence connector sa khian hei chu claim in a tough de ulek maro chu kan thiam chuanin har sa om don chuang lowa som pasarina atang hian kan chan do ni although ti khin ron pe top ta introduction na ka soyang khan sentence pali lai ron pe ta ni option te ki enta ula one let option a sentence ki it's yarang she had always wanted children. This wasn't the way she had intended to start a family. Certainly this could happen. The odds are remote. Kimi pali ki in kop turbik an omani atu hinge in kop turbik achung ki en ula although mang khian eng khinge I kop ti rang option A B C D a khianin A a chuan 1 le 3 aron ti a B a chuan 2 le 4 C a chuanin both 1 2 le 3 4 D a chuan 3 le 4 king option atang khianin izong do na engtin nge I join ang by using although hei minute kha chunga ti thei ani angem ka shelawa I tum chin kan an en chin angamo 1 le 2 ki iti thayem nge 3 le 4 ki iti thayem although I mangang apali khan kan zom don lo kimi pali atang khan pahni te ya in kop kan zong don ani achang chon pahni te in kop pahni kan la chwa atang chuan in sentence pahni kan payanga pahni chau kan la chwa kang khatiang chi te po kha om thei chumi wangchon number 17 a khan she had always wanted children. Although this wasn't the way she had intended to start a family. Tikhi ala di adik theita tani. Certainly this could happen, although the odds are remote. Tipo hi adik vele thauta, although imang veve ni chu. Chumi ni wang chuanin I answer to C ki ni don tani. C a chuan 1 le 2 ki a in pair up anga 3 le 4 ki a in pair up theibok. Adang ho chuan 1 le 3 te min pe a 2 le 4 te min pe a in kop thailo king ho ki etina number 1 ki en chintala 1 le 3 number A ki she had always wanted children although certainly this could happen. It doesn't make sense taro chumi wang chuanin helme mi tang hianin sentence pali tang hian sentence pahni kan siam chuak theya by using the conjunction although ti chuan answer to C ka chiangem en chinang tuna ve thung chuan but ti khi kan endona option khian A chuan 1 le 2 B chuan 2 le 3 ti khian min peta thapa kimi option zui khian en chinang the prince answered nothing. She looked at him significantly awaiting a reply ni china kan ti thau kha this is in addition to imposing controls on the media and tampering with the judicial system. En kinge kan join thayang but kan mang don tani thei chu kan she sang chu ni chin loka khanin kan ti wang khan the prince answered nothing but she looked at him significantly awaiting a reply. This one 1 le 2 ki ani ta phota adik ta chu ni chuan option dangi han en khianin 1 le 4 te the prince answered nothing but and tampering di ki chu dik thei lo ngal ta chu mi ni wang chuan try chin ma ro adik thei lo wa this one answer to A ki ni ngal top ta ni A chuan in 1 le 2 chia kan mang thei asan chu 3 le 4 kia join thei lo and but ti khi ngai ta chu mi wang chuan in adik thei lo wan 1 le 2 chia khi dik theya answer to A ni top mai khi ve thung ki chu hence mangin sentence exam nge kan siam thei pali min pe a exam nge kan siam chwa theyang en chinang number A ki 1 le 3 le 2 le 4 1 le 3 en chinang the abandoned kittens were too young to eat solid food hence a century adig lo hal ki chu la lo hal to pang number B 2 le 4 we needed to bottle feed them every 2 hours hence we can look back on the methods adig lo le hal adik thelo hence ki man zel angai boxia number C ki 1 le 3 atia the abandoned kittens ti zong hence we can look back on the method hence a century adik le thelo di khi dik to ang 1 le 2 the abandoned kittens were too young to eat solid food, hence we needed to bottle feed them every 2 hours, or 1 le 2 khi dik nga 3 le 4 khi a century hence we can look back on the methods of torture with shock. A century after ti na ani ang chumo khilai hence ki therefore angin kan manglawa a century after angin idea nei ula this one in number D 1 le 2 kan pair up theya 3 le 4 kan pair up the ki answer number D. Hey tu nang manin han solve very rek teu answer example karon pek ang teu khan 1 le 2 3 le 4 nge 1 le 2 le 3 han since mang zero hetiang hi chu in thiam lo chuanin a multiple choice ang khianin kal ulamo adik chu ron lang meyang since they were all dressed up tipon ithak di thei thawania ahma kan zir thawang khan Keima Achuan, since they were all dressed up, she assumed they were going to church together. Tiki adik kapa 1 le 2 ki choice siya oma mase adang po om mai the 3 le 4 ki kan join thengem. Since in starlet hin taila, since it is crucial to identify where decision makers can achieve the most good. Akim lo lutuk kiki subordinate clause anga chau angai thei chumi wangchon answer to C pakhat chau kan siam chuak thei ti na ni chu by using since number 20 chu a chan na chu pathum na khi kimi rather than conjunction khianin kan chan leang hei chu a b c chau choice oma a choice a chuan 2 le 4 1 2 2 le 3 ti khian han siam kwal te rather than mang khian aya ti na ni ta rather than ti chu chumi aya rather than tiki mang masata ula it's one in number 3 le 4 join na tour option om lawa 2 le 4 ki I join chuan om zia pakhat ma om lawa 1 le 2 ki join chuan om zia oma 2 le 3 ki thayem a thei lo bokta chumi wang chuan rather than telling the truth to them Peter prefers to deceive the family ti ki answer dik chu nia number B ki ani chu in man tel tro kita ve thung khian either or kan manganga MCQ ki pathum chaw oma 3 le 4 I pair up emo 1 le 4 emo 1 le 2 I pair up angai don ni chu either he will break the news or deceive the family tiki number C alo oma 1 le 2 2 dik khapa 3 le 4 ki thayem either in New Delhi too there has been a growing realization or that time had come ki velang zong khan 3 le 4 ki chu a in pair up thei lo thota 1 le 4 ti chinang either he will break the news or that time had come to me wang chuan number C ki answer chu ni tani sentence pakhat chau kan siam chuak thei ti na ni chu hei chu ati ra kan ti ang chi kha atira kan ti ang chi single te te kha number 2 khe ni tran do na ni engtin adik lau tro number 2 ai ti chuan chu ve wang chuanin she did not provide details of their conditions but asked for continued prayers for their recovery. Number D kha adik tani. Idea chuanin leader kha charge and peng me engamoni ha kha he had been charged with threatening the security of the state. Some followers face criminal investigation kami ni wang khan enge thil thenki thil voi khata thlengani time pakhata thlengani ta wangin number D ki kan mangdona while some followers face criminal investigation. Leader ber kha thuan zot chiang lai khan follower te kha an lo investigate ve boktani khang tiang ang khanin number 24 to answer to top ber na ki while ti ki A strike by farmers in Maharashtra continues to affect normal life. The state government's announcement of an end to the strike last week. Farmer hauka an nuara. State government sorkar khanin nuar lo tura shil nuwa po an nuara. Atina angani ta ti chuan engin ngei zomang. Whereas kitu a dictate don lawa since the state government's announcement ala dictate wang lawa despite the can a club tani a strike by farmers in Maharashtra continues to affect normal life despite the state government's announcement of an end to strike last week. Kiki can answer to ni despite ki as when it is truncated, even when it is truncated, since when it is truncated, despite being truncated. Polo nita said despite when truncated. Ay answer nita ang even when it is truncated. Kaka answer ni. Belle pai thei om chuan la ti thei tho ma se conjunction khanin om ziaron nei ro se chuan answer to B kan ti to kha a dik thei tro belle pai chungpoi na dik thei lo dang ho khi chu thwak chak le chiat ti zung ha ngai ve tyang a hian Despite such attackers do not have any contact with terrorist groups, despite it makes it difficult. Despite making it difficult, the poloni theta said that such attackers do not have any contact with terrorist groups, although it makes it difficult for intelligence. Although ala dictate how mai such attackers do not have any contact with terrorist groups, however it makes it difficult. Hey po hi dictate how such attackers do not have any contact with terrorist groups if it makes it difficult. Tipo kan ala dictate how dictate vekani to hemi question to engtinge kan thiar chan ta kang pai chinte emo despite such attackers ti te hin han chan chinte atir lama han da vele chinte karon chiar tolo me ang iril ruin en la and jiang chin role such attackers do not have any contact with terrorist groups if it makes it difficult for intelligence communities to detect them. Tiki number D akyan kan tlasadon tani. Engwangin if kan man bikang. However, tikyanin thildang de asoita despite chuti chung chuan ti kha despite le however nia although if ka chuan aron ti ta ka wangin ki a le b le c ki chuanin a meaning ai nang veka conjunction ho ki mo if ti ki dang ta de ta ni chuanin ti na ni ta chuwa chuan kimi hi kan khang ta ni ami zo tong taka khatianga han compare vel khanin aron dictate ta ti chuan number d ki ni sariya tan chuan answer ni. Being stressful, nevertheless, excessive use of computers. Idule wan ki da masala chu khan chu boy da masatheya han shuffle vel chin dele. Alaya ida don ni chuan engama khi dictate lo ta sorry alaya khian conjunction ida don ni chuan engtin ma sentence ki dictate lo chumi ni wang chuan in sentence in tran dona engber thinge ida thung ta kang ti le chin la chuan adik chu ron chuak mayang in addition to being stressful iti chat kana dikta. In addition to being stressful, excessive use of computers can be harmful to your health. Dikhana diklap tani chu. Answer to D. Kinky correlative conjunction and near compound conjunction. The poti take boka. The gurgling stream, the howling wind added to the charm of place. Engamonis tumi baka ti nani chu. Tumi baka soidon chuan as long ti ki diglawanga B C D ki enge ni berdaang. Furthermore ki digle thelo ta C le D. The gurgling stream, moreover, dictalawa, the gurgling stream, along with the howling wind, added to the charm of place. Luite riker le klito heu te khan the heu nilo le klito wow kan ti don mi the howling wind added to the charm of place. Titsuanin action pati oba the gurgling stream along with the howling wind kan ti khan ati klapta. It's one answer to C. kan van thiam em during midday at titani mo in most cities there are less traffic jams hei chu kan hria chhun pachanga hian traffic hi atlem deuh zia chutiang tho chuanin I chutiang tho chuan dila there is less traffic on Sundays chhun pachanga le Sunday a hianin khopui tam bera chuanin traffic jam atlem lai berani ti aron soita chutwang chuan engber khinge manang aron a in anna aron soi ni chu in anna. Therefore, there is less traffic on Sundays. Similarly, there is less traffic on Sundays. Because there is less traffic on Sundays, still there is less traffic on Sundays. Engkinge om taber. Similarly, there is less traffic on Sundays. Tikhe dik tathapa athan na chu bi. She's an excellent photographer. Her paintings are works of art. Tiringot pon han titala adik thei thawanga maro chu joy na ngai sia engber hian nge kan tiang. Photographer ani a mo photographer ani boka chuan painting athiam bok ti na ni khi chumi ni wang chuanin I thiam na chi ni aneya khami a soi na khani. But she's an excellent photographer, excellent photographer, correspondingly excellent photographer, still her paintings are works of art. Because her paintings are works of art adik thei lo de uveka number 1 ki dik thei ta berani sutiang thau chuan ti nania she's an excellent photographer, correspondingly her paintings are works of art. Photographer thatak ani pia lama emo chutiang ro chumi rol chuan a painting te po hi a ro pui ti na angani chu bang chuan e khi kan chan na tu na mi ang thau khani kan zo chi ang chi khan idea chu I phone number khat aron zot na zong te kha belola chutiang thau chuan nangma du tu zong kha chwa pui kher su tinang alonita idea pakhat still nevertheless but likewise kitiang tang khan chon a chui thei ngal wata idea pakhat ani ngala wang khanin still the nevertheless tile but kha kan pai ngalanga likewise hi la chin ta ila you can give your phone number to every man who asks for it. Likewise, you can't go out with everyone who fancies you. Tikhian adik ta thapa as than na chu di khini. House price in man khi kumin chuanin asang tlata car price ve thung ero to stagnating atia he chu I ato lem lo angaya din hun ngaya ding achelo ti na ngani chu in man asan em rualin car man lir thei man ero chu apa ngai engber khi ei thai manam a in an lo na is ai ang lo em pakhat khi apung thura pakhat khi apung lem lo pa ngaya chumi in an lo na lai chu engtin mo enge bi formula chuanin bi man khianin amoi zoka house prices have gone up this year. In contrast, car prices seems to be stagnating. Ti khianin amoya adik zok mani bat ti lo khian this one answer to b ni chu kan zo tep to I don't think Sean has serious behavioral problems. I'll talk to him first thing in the morning. Khi tikhian sentence pani chu dik eng tin nge kan join don tak. A le B khi word khat ve nia, C le D khi correlative conjunction hey partner ne yang chi khan ni ta ni partner ne khi atul reng em. I don't think Sean has serious behavioral problems. Either Sean has serious behavioral problems or talk to him first thing. Dictate chuang lo mo number D akyan. Not only Sean has serious behavioral problems but also talk to him. Dictate lo tani. Chuan A le B akan chho leang. Ti chuan nonetheless ti khi eng po ni se I'll talk to him first thing in the morning. Nonetheless ti khi A khi answer chu ni tani. Atop na kan khleng ta e. And lastly, I have asked you 1,000 times not to leave your dirty socks on the floor. You keep doing it. Tito lo tura ti nuwa po ila ti sham zela in tin mo kan join don. Kiki yet can join don tani because ka dik lawa so po dik thei lawa moreover po dik chuang lawa chuban chuan yet ka can join na tur nita. I've asked you 1,000 times not to leave your dirty socks on the floor, yet you keep doing it. It's an answer to C niya. Ahar sa inti le ti lo ka shit thiam lawa ahar sa inti ni chuan in hemi sentence connectors sa chuan conjunction kha shia chia na nga ya chumi rual chuan sabtong hi in brush up zelem o ka shelo English vocabulary hi hemi lockdown le hun har sa kan to chung hian advantage in lo mang nge in mu mei thin nge inge inti ka chet chia lawa amaro chu chen kha chu van dwai thak takin shi te point lo kai mai the reporter ro chu kan dong lawa emo quarantine talk te po in om the hetiang hun har sa a hianin tu hinge tumru ti hi lang chiang le zwal thin antia mabak inei ti kha siang che I mabak chu enge nangma I insom ve nan he khovela din hun nei ve turin I bei me kani chumi bei pe lo alai ve la lo tluzinga thole to lo turzinga ngei omdon hun har sataka po thing chi le bokhup chung po a chetrang chi ini nge ni lo ti khan nangma khan in shechiang beranga kanin hu thei to boxi lawatiro chuwang chuanin trong trai na nen khani mi in le khazir lai hi lo zir mol ulang keini chuanin ti thei hi kan nei tlem em ma heng kan class nei po hi a guide angani meya a chiar zaule lo in zir chu in ti turania English language hi a har sat lo rualin har sat na te po om ve tho nangma confident in ei viawani chuanin a aya confident nei le na satorin practice ro I exam huna English a tam theyang ber mu tumla ti chuanin ima ka sang dor donani chuwa chuanin I thiam lo lam em ai ma in I tum na kha apoi mo mani thiam tak zir thapei lo chu engman ni don chuang lo ti kha ka soi duwa I thiam sa to viawa tai mata kai zirbel chuanin English yan I mark hi ati up na sa don ti hi ke hian ka experience em fu in ka thlen pha ani ti kha kan sei du ni ale engponi se sentence connectors sungchanga kan class chu khak ti khalo ni ta a in zo chian theya internet te po in hum in kuta in phone oma computer in neya in du danin in mang theya sha thiam lo te omzel chuanin in zo she lo tur kan ti chin kha o thadewin in lo zir don ya all the best